So exactly how does a computer represent an image? There are many images, many colors of things that you see on your screen. And how does a computer produce these colors on the screen in a series of lights that are operated, that the computer is operating by? Well, say 1 bit is represented by 8 bytes, 8 different combinations of lights being on or off. But then a byte, one particular way of producing the image that you see on your screen, is represented by a series of 256 of these bits. So let's look at an example of a byte. So 128, 0, 64, 132, 116, 0, 8, 14, 12, and 11. This all adds up to 183. So whatever color 183 represents is the color that the screen produces. But so let's just do another example. So we have here 164, 132, 116, 14, 11, as the number sequence above here represents. This all adds up to 117, so whatever color 117 represents is the number that is produced by this particular byte. So note here that there can be multiple different possibilities of the colors represented by the 256 bits we see, say in 2 bytes and 2 bytes in 16 bits. So, but what is represented by 2 bytes? So 2 bytes here is represented by 16 bits. So let's do another sample number. 32,678, 16,384, 8,192, 4,096, 12048, 10,024, 512, 256, 128, 064, 132, 116, 8, 14, 02, 11. So let's add all those together to represent the particular image these 2 bytes represent. So 32,678 plus 49,000 plus 16,384 represents 49,062. 18,192 represents 57,254. 12048 represents, so the total is 59,302. 1,024, 512, 59,814. 256, 60,070. 132, 60,102. 116, 60,118, and finally we get 60,118 as the total this sequence of numbers represents. So this means that the computer's 2 bytes has 65,536 to represent the different things. Basically, different numbers are represented by different things, 65,536 different things. Now, imagine what difference 1 terabyte can make. So do note that 65,536 is only 2 bytes. Imagine how many difference 1 terabyte creates. It's basically an incomprehensible number. So, but these two sequences of bytes can also be added. So note here, 183 plus 19 equals 202, and this 202 represents the bytes, these 1 plus these 2 bytes can be added to produce the following 202.